What's up, guys? I just shooting this quick little video. I don't know how quick it's going to be when it all gets edited down, but I went to the abco trade show over at Terrace in the Park in Flushing, Queens, and I met up with Emin and guys from his company, which was really cool. And just here's some of the stuff we saw. All right.
Basically, what it is, it's 400 psi, 2.5 gallons of water a minute. So you're getting slow the gas power pressure-wise, but you're not getting that damaging pressure. So you're able to clean a 6 or 8 pass of oil without having to.
Awesome. I see this attachment, so it's pretty cool.
Right angle one, there's a good on the top of the condenser back.
Wow, nice. Mike, you gotta definitely take this for Pat. He was looking for a nice cook.
Leak freeze, yeah. Refrigerant leak freeze.
Does that affect the TXV whatsoever?
Not at all. Now, my green product will probably enhance the operation of the TXV. I'm not going to do what Calgon's talking about in unsticking that current situation that's happening. That's something that will probably enhance the operation, but it's a short-term thing. Now, my product, it's a very complex lubricant in the green, but it's a sealant as well. So you could come to my house today, even if I didn't have a leak, you could put the green in. I would get these benefits immediately, and then if I have a leak within the next year or two, this product will continue to be suspended unless it was leaked out to a larger leak or you evacuated it. Neat value. If I gave you $300 to put it in, you give me a warranty that allows that to work for me. It's a great deal. I have a guy that does that. Sold about 3,100 cartridges today, and he offers up a limited warranty to the homeowner. And if there's a major issue that comes up, they apply that back. He does really well.
With Easy Seal, definitely affects the expansion. It does. At issues,
Yeah. You're not going to have that problem.
Oh, Jim Bergman directly.
Yeah, exactly. How do you know him?
Well, from
You can
YouTube.
type it in.
Okay.
Look at your gauge and say, okay,
Call
it's
Spawn,
150.
please.
Every guy I know says
Best bag ever.
once they buy it, it's a wrap. It's all over, and they work.
They do. I got the MC, I got the XL, the TV3. You know what I like about Roger? Because they call me to get some advice, not advice, but just what about
No, what they want to do is they want to talk to a guy who's in the field who does that stuff every day. You work with your kids every day, man. You're the guy. So the guy who started the company was a guy who was a carpenter. He built lobster boats.
Right.
And then he got tired, got married, moved to Manhattan, and was tired of carrying around his box. Just went, it was driving crazy. Changed everything up. Now we've got some innovative stuff. Our backpack is off the charts. If you want a backpack, I've noticed more and more young guys like the backpack.
Those guys don't have trucks,
Guys who travel around the city.
Exactly, yeah.
They throw all their tools in a backpack. And here's the other nice thing. You can, God forbid you got a call because the Gap at the mall has problems with their air conditioning. And you got to go up on the roof. They make you park way far away. There's one access to the roof. And God forbid there's snow on it. You're walking. If you forget something, it's an hour round trip. This stuff stops that. It also does a couple of things for you. It has been shown that you lose less tools using the Vito backpack because you organize it, and so you look at. And I always say, hold on, something's missing. Where's my 61?
Yeah. And what's cool about Roger, he didn't have a secretary call me.
He got on the phone.
That's right. That's awesome.
I love him. He's a great guy. I'm very happy to be working with him.
Yeah, nice guy, man.
But this thing, one of the interesting things,
I got three.
I sit on that small.
I've seen a YouTube video where they tie 2 rope chains and the cars go out opposite directions, and they couldn't rip it apart.
See that one he's leaning on right
The
now?
LC, awesome guy.
I have sat on that. When I'm working on my own furnace, like when I have to change out the pressure switch. I don't have my tools. You can lay that thing flat, and you can see. And I'm not exactly a thin guy.
Yeah, that's nice. Awesome stuff.
And the other thing is,
Smaller version. Amongst this table, you're a thin guy.
well, so check this out. This right here.
Yeah, you can hang it.
This is the smartest thing that they've done with their backpack. Every other backpack in the world fits right here. Because all the weight's on the strap
Oh,
right
that's the
here.
hook. Mine's bag is just a little heavy, but
It is a little heavy, but you know something, you're doing a lot of stuff. So this right here,
it stabilizes you.
it's not just to stabilize you. What it does is it transfers the weight of the load off the strap so you don't rip this. And because of the rib in the middle of the bag,
Yeah, it's awesome.
it sinks right into the bottom, you're switching weight over to this.
It's nice. You know what? I should have gotten this one instead of XL. But this is a perfect size.
You know why this is the perfect one for you? Because you do a lot of meters, and here's your meter stuff right here. This is what I was talking about. Check this out.
Believe me, I know. I got that bag.
Walk-in coolers, freezers, got a scroll compressor, filter dryer, sight glass. Then we have electronics. What the electronics does is varies the speed of the fan motor. Because for low ambient situations, you got to maintain a specific head pressure. So your expansion valve has enough pressure to feed. So that's how we control this with this. That controls this. This controls our discharge line. Basically, if you have an issue with an overtemp, we'll inject some liquid refrigerant back into the suction compressor. Flash it, they got paper compressor.
That's cool.
What else?
I mean, can you use this on pretty much? Is it comparable to the older indoor box fan? Doesn't matter.
It's no different than any other unit.
I see what you're saying.
You apply it the same way. You follow the same piping principles.
Okay.
So on and so forth. Yeah, same thing.
Just a high-tech outdoor unit.
You just add a little bit of electronics.
Yeah.
You know, because your outdoor applications can get at times, how do I want to say, when the ambient temperatures rise, you get fouling on the condenser. They're a little more harsh than indoor. Okay, other than the greasy kitchen. Okay, so you got to have the protection with that compressor. Because how I say it is that when we get a compressor back from a wholesaler for inspection, because compressors fail, you're going to request for inspection to get it back. A third of the compressors fail because they overheat, cause high temperatures cause compressor fail. Electrical, there's no defect found. They replaced the compressor.
Proper charge, all of it.
Could have been the start components, whatever it was, who knows. So what we did was we added the electronics to protect electromechanical.
Awesome.
That's what we've done. Yeah, I mean, it's not going to prevent all failures.
Right.
But at least if you prevent 9 out of 10, you've done your job.
Absolutely. I could have sworn it was like a Daikin or a Mitsubishi from back there. But it's pretty
No,
interesting.
it's Emerson outdoor unit. Yeah, you want some wood?
Sure, yeah.
Yeah, take that.
Scrolling definitely beats everything. Look at that
Smart service toolkit, man.
Yeah, it's just grabbing and go. That's cool.
Pressure transducer, temperature clamp, high side, low side, it'll automatically calculate that. You're seeing,
What else can that pretty much superheat subcooling?
that's it. You can record data,
Oh,
and you
really?
can send email to your boss, and he can check to see what's going on in the system.
Oh, wow, nice.
There's high superheat, low sub. When you charge based on subcooling.
Right, well,
That's it.
depending, yeah.
It'll help you out. Superheat, it's too hot. Why? Maybe the valve is not feeding. Okay?
What's the warranty on this?
1 year.
1 year? So I should have just do it.
Yeah.
And let's say this goes bad. What's the price of just one transducer?
I don't know yet. It's not available yet. It's just available kit for now. But eventually,
just a kit now.
Yeah, eventually, yes, you're right. We're gonna say, okay. I just just need this. Okay, we'll tell you it's available. It's the price. But for now,
I like it.
temperature clamp.
Yeah.
This is
What's cool about it is it's
this
small.
is how you turn on and turn off.
Right.
Okay. Red, high side.
Right.
Blue, low side.
And if I want to charge a unit,
And you will need a T. Maybe it doesn't come with it, but we get the version with the T
right.
adapter. Just use it. That's all.
But that's what I was saying. With this, because it's a standard 1/8 inch,
You can take it off.
You can take it off and put it right
Yeah.
on the manifold.
Very good. Yes. Standard 1/8 inch. I mean, you know, it'll work. You know what? You don't want to
You're
use
right,
this
you're right,
one.
yeah.
If you don't want to use this one, use your whatever. You have a T version. Low spinning version, whatever. You can use yours.
I like that. This is kind of like the Testos, but it's without the manifold.
Right.
Without manifold. No holes. 410A. For split
Really?
system. Oh yeah.
4th and A?
Split systems.
Like that?
Yeah.
Shit, I want to see that.
It will. Watch. You'll see it.
I want to see that.
We test those. I mean,
Hey, you know what? I
They're
like
fine.
it. It's made in the U.S.
made in US.
Ah,
Yes.
I already like you.
Maybe.
We don't want Chinese stuff.
Watch. Read the banner.
I've been in this industry for 18 years full-time now, and I work for a very small shop, and I left for a little while to go to another company. And I could not hack it going back and forth to the city because right now it is 8:07 p.m. on my way home from Flushing from the Abco show, and I am sitting in nothing but traffic on my way home on the Long Island Expressway. So that's why I left. So just wanted to give you guys a heads up. Long Island sucks.